Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with SmartThings to control Lutron switches, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have a SmartThings account. If you don't have one, visit the SmartThings website or download the app to create an account. Next, make sure your Lutron switches are installed and connected to the Lutron app.
Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone.
In the app, tap on the Devices tab located at the bottom of the screen.
Now, select the plus icon to add a new device.
From the list of device options, choose Lutron or search for it in the search bar.
You will be prompted to log in to your Lutron account. Enter your Lutron username and password, then tap Sign In.
Once logged in, grant SmartThings the necessary permissions to access your Lutron devices.
The app will search for your connected Lutron switches automatically. When the search is complete, your Lutron switches should appear in the SmartThings app.
Select the switches you want to control and tap Add. After adding, you can customize the names and settings of your Lutron switches within the.
To test the connection, try turning the switches on and off through the SmartThings interface. If everything works, your setup is complete.
For further automation, explore SmartThings scenes and routines to enhance control over your Lutron switches. Now, you're ready to use SmartThings to manage your Lutron home lighting effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current.
If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection.
Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.